We're here at the Retail Lab at Glee, and this is an area where we want to inspire garden centers. And that is quite necessary because garden centers do have to change a little bit. We're no longer trade centers. We have to become retailers, and that is very important. We have a lot of stress, internet, we got all the knowledge around us, and we like to go to a place where we can relax, decompress, and get a lot of inspiration. A lot of customers don't know how to use plants, they don't know how to make the right combinations, and this is actually what we're trying to do here. We're looking at what kind of customers do you have, how can you make the right presentations for your customers, and inspire them. Well, this is the community area. Your customers, make them your community, so they're really proud to come into your garden center. Share the knowledge with them. Outdoor here we have like community gardening where you can take a course how to work with plants, and it's really nice not doing the course in your garden center, but maybe work together with a charity like Green Fingers and do that at their location, so the people are doing the course there, getting all the knowledge, sharing the knowledge each other. This is the family area. For me it's really important to think in customer zones. So what kind of customers do you have? We work with colors, work with the pink. What pink plants do we have? Which leaves do they have? Do we have pink leaves? Do we have pink flowers? And work with the details so it becomes very feminine. On the other area, it's more masculine. So there we have bigger plants. But of course we have children, so we have also an area where we show how to work with plants for kids. And another very important part of the family is the dog, the pets. So we have a pet area of which plants are pet friendly. So in this case, really take care of who are your customers and make your garden center ready for your customers. Well, this is the rewilding area, and for me it's very important to show people how you can bring nature back into your garden or your balcony or terrace. Show them that being environmentally friendly, it doesn't have to be very old-fashioned, it can be very modern. So what we're showing here is more or less how you can attract butterflies, birds, bees, work with nature in a very easygoing way and very modern. This is the well-being area. Here I want to show people what plants actually do for you. They purify the air, you have scent, plants are there to decompress. They make you feel good. When I make a garden, I want to make a garden, in this case, in pots and in colors. So here I worked with the salmon colors and like a little bit of pinkish orange colors, terracotta. And I made it like in a consumer way, not like a horticulturist, but in a consumer. And that is actually what we're showing here at the Retail Lab. Well, I hope you get a lot of inspiration and information from the Retail Lab at Glee. Have a look around, get many ideas, and I hope you will get a few ideas which you can implement in your own garden center.